Hi everyone, this is Real World Audio, and this is another quick response to a question. And Holly was asking that my tone arm is already silver wired and was wondering what is the next place to introduce more silver, and he is thinking about interconnects. So let's have a look at it, and I'm confirming that yes, it's interconnect. So if your tone arm, let's say here, is wired with silver, now this is not hooked up to my step-up transformers because the cats have damaged this long arm, so it's now out of commission. That's why I haven't made any videos with it recently, how it works, because it needs repair. But then my second point to insert the silver will be here to connect your tone arm to your step-up transformer if it's MC. If not, then connect to your moving magnet. If it's moving magnet, go to your phono stage with silver, and then the next one, when you are done with that, the third place would be like from the output of your phono stage to your preamp or volume control, either active or passive preamp. And then after that, the next one is run the interconnect to your amp. That's the next step for silver. And when you use silver for interconnects, then you do not need much. All you need, even if you just use a single run of gauge 30 silver or 2 runs of gauge 32, that's pretty cheap. You don't need much silver for that. It's doable on a pretty good low budget, and then you can still have the best interconnects basically for a very low price. And then the next step that you can use for silver would be the power cords. If you are lucky, maybe you can have like a very short run of power cord, like from here to that unit, that's silver. But there you need very heavy gauge, and that's where it becomes very expensive. And then the last one where you use your silver would be your speaker cables. And you see I'm using copper. I will have to start saving up loads of money to have enough, like a total gauge of 10 to run for the speaker cable. Because for speaker cable, if you want to use lighter gauge, maybe just like gauge 16 or gauge 18 total gauge, then you will not have bass. And that's why people blame silver for not having enough bass, because when you use it as either as a power cord or a speaker cable and you make it too skinny, then it doesn't have enough capacity to handle the low frequencies, and then it will sound bright. But not because silver has a problem with that, but because we have a problem of not using the proper gauge for it. So thank you for tuning in. So after you finished rewiring your tone arm with silver, this is also silver wired. Maybe we can see something if I shed some light here. Can we see it? Can we see? Maybe. Well, we can't really see. We can just suspect, because I have embedded the silver wire into the tone arm. And you can see it only there where it comes out from the arm. And also there, you see where it meets the base. Where it comes out from there. That's where it is. So thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. Start with the tone arm and progress as the signal strength goes. Good luck, have fun, enjoy. Bye bye.